Hello everyone. Today we are looking at some practice questions for the exam of Associate Developer Python. So let's get started. Which numeric type is valid MongoDB BSON type? So these are all the questions for the MongoDB exam, and here we can say the which numeric type is a valid MongoDB BSON type. Options are float, number, big int, and 32-bit integer. So it's 32-bit integer. The next question is, given the following documents in a collection, which two documents can successfully be added in the same collection? So if we look at the options, we have to select two right answers because question says which two documents can successfully be added in the same collection. So in this data structure, we should have unique ID number. So as you can see, 1, 2, 3 are already there. That means we can't include these 1, 2. So that means we are left with these two, 5 and 6. So right answer should be 5 and 6. Next is, given the following documents in the collection, which two documents can successfully be added in the same collection? Similar type of question. We look at the ID 1 and 2. Here 1 is already there, we can't add it, and yeah, we can add 0. We can add 3 because 4 is not a numeric type, it's a array or a list. So these two should be the correct answer. Next, given the following document, the name is a.log, the owner of the file is application A, the size of the file is 1 KB, and the file was deleted. What command will properly add this document to the files collection using Mongos? So here we can see it should be insert 1, and then size was 1 KB, and it should be in byte size 8-bit, so 1000 bit. So, and about the capital and small letter, in Python usually it is capital, but it is Mongo, so I'll go with this one. Given the following sample documents in the products collection, so here we need to find based on these filters. So we can see here we need to select or from these two, and it should be and price and this one. So looking at the option, we can see either color should be purple or storage should be 1024. So first we can see if there is any purple in the option. Yeah, we have purple over here, so yeah, we might select it. But price, if you look at the price, it is less than equals to, so if you look at this, it is greater than 800, so we can't select this one, and we need to select only one. So we are left with, and we don't see purple in any other option, so we need to go for this 1024. So if you look at the remaining list we have here, which satisfies this condition, because if you look at the price, it is less than 600 it is less than 800, and the color is not purple, but it is OR condition, so we can have this storage 1024, so 1024 is there. So and here we have, and that's why we must have either of these, this and this, so it should be the correct answer. Then next one is, an inventory collection consists of 200 documents. What method should be used to get all documents from a cursor using Mongos. So we need to find all. So here this should be the correct answer, find and to array. Here a collection has documents like the following, we can see. So the question is, how should the autocomplete index be defined to look for matches at the beginning of the word on the name field? So here in the MongoDB, as far as I remember, regex is not there, hgram could be the answer, ngram. So look for the matches, so obviously not ngram match ngram, so it should be hgram. Given the following sample documents, a company wants to create a mobile app for users to find restaurants by name. The developer wants to show the user restaurants that match their search. An atlas search index has already been created to support this query. What query satisfies these requirements? So we need to select the indexes out of the given options, and we need to select one. So here we can see we need to select, so I know it should be path and it should be query, not the synonym obviously. So once I know path and query should be there, then it should work. So given the data set and query, there is an aggregate function given to us, and then we have the conditions filter is there. So match score should be greater than 70, and we are averaging the score. So here we can see we are averaging the score of this P1, and then because yeah, so player P1 P2, and it should be greater than 70. So if we look at the option, we have to select only one. So what we can do is we can check whether the average is greater than 70. So if we look at here, then we don't see, okay, 70 over here, it is 70. So obviously this will not mean the result set. Then what else can we do? We can check what are the average. So let's see, for the player 1 P1 it is 89. So see, all are 89. Obviously this is already out, this one is also out because it has 70, it should be greater than. So we are left with these two, and here we have 89. Then let's calculate the average of this P2 player P2. Then it's 85 and 65, so it would be 140 150, that is 75. The average is 75, and here you can see it is 85. So this must be incorrect. That means we are left with this one. Next is a collection call one in database MDB has the following documents. After executing the following aggregation pipeline, what are two expected results? So what are two expected results? A collection result is created in database test. There is a syntax error command. So quickly let's look at the error over here. MDB call regression test collection results. Do we have results? Okay, it will create new collection name as results. Okay, we can see, yeah, there is the syntax problem over here, because two of the options are saying there is a problem and two are saying there is no problem. So let me check. So result, I'm not sure whether this is a gap or not. It seems like there is a space. Results will be created, and then get sibling dot aggregation out. I'm not sure. Collection result is syntax error. Commands dot collection. Command dot collection. The result is not created. No document in the column are written to collection. No document in the collection. Call. Okay, yeah. No document in collection call are written to collection result. So I'm not pretty sure, but I'll go with the error. Given the following documents, if the following command is executed, so replace one means only one will be replaced. So we can see in these given documents, A is 10, so this should be 10 and B should be 5. So A should be 10, B should be 5. Then in next collection it should be same because we are just replacing 1. So 2 4 3. So next first one is 10 5 and then 2 4. 10 5 2 4. Okay, 2 4. So we have two options. Then we have 3 4 3. So 3 4 3. So we must have one of these, but yeah, it is 10 5, it is 1 4, so we must have this one, correct? Given the collection called col1 with only the following documents, the update is update many and set B is to 2, so B equals to 2 successfully completes. What is the output of the dot find? So update many means it will update all of it, and we can see B is defined over here, so it will set B to 2, but if it is not there then it will add. So if we look at the options, we can see ID B1 A1 B1 and then ID 2 A2 B2. So this would be the correct answer, because no, this is not going to be the answer because we need to set B equals to 2. So this below one is the answer because B is 2. Next one is, given the following documents, if the following command is executed, replace 1. Again, we need to replace 1. It seems like the same question. It is the repeated question, I guess, because it seems same. So 18 B5, 18 B5, then 2 4, 2 4. We have to be careful. It might be tricky questions and they might have changed something. 3 4 3, 3 4 3. So I'm selecting this. Let's confirm once again. A10 B5 because there is replace 1, then I2 for B4, I3 A3 B4 C3. It's fine. We have another question. Given the collection called col1 with only the following statement, I think this is also the repeated question. I'm not sure why they are giving it. So as we have already done it, it should be B 112 and then ID2 A2 B2. Given the following documents from the cake flavors collection, all the documents in the collection have the same schema. What operation on the cake flavors collection will update the value of the number field to 100 for a document with a strawberry flavor value and insert a new document if it does not exist? So we need to select update the value of the number field to 100 for the documents with the strawberry. So all are 1, so update 1, insert 1. So here we need to select update 1, I guess, and then so it should be upsert, but I don't think there would be this dollar tag over here, so I'm not 100% sure, but I'm just marking those. Given the following example document from the movie collection, all documents in this collection have the same schema. What command updates the value of classic field to true for all document with the value less than 2000? So again, all the documents, so it should be many, update many, and we don't need to even check anything else because this is the only correct option we have. Given the following sample documents in the loans collection, what command deletes document which book is EFF and the user is T.P and the returns the deleted document? So here it should be delete 1. So we have 2 options. So return document should be true, delete 1, or remove delete 1. So yeah, but I'm a bit confused over here. We don't need to have this true written document. I'm not sure about this particular parameter, so that's why I'm going with this one. Find one and delete. I'm not sure. Given the following sample documents in the inventory collection, what expression will remove all the documents started C in the inventory collection? So delete many, and then start a C. Delete many. I think for the previous question it should be find one and delete. I'm not sure, but for this question I think it is delete many. Given the following documents in the rating collection, what Mongo's command will return a document for hotel CCC? So this is in Python, so it says Mongo's, so I'm sure it should be find one and then hotel CCC. I think so. The following query generates a collection scan dot db dot people dot find employee avc dot sort last name and job. Which 2 indexes will most improve the performance of the query? So we have, so we need to select 2. So this last name and job, it would be in the ascending order, and then last name, and because we are sorting using last name and job, so sorting, and then okay, not this one, this one, either ascending or descending, it is going to help. Given the collection in which all documents have the following shape, and the query on this collection is db.collection.find object.a is to 1. What index will support this query? So we are just finding objects A, then objects.a, this one only. Given the following query, db.call1.find the sort by product and price, which 2 indexes will improve the performance of this query? Again, product and price ascending, and then product and price descending. Given the following query, find sort product price, which to indicates again similar type of question, because so again I'll select the same one. So product one, price one. Okay, I think here we need to have product at first, then product one, price one, then price, no, product and price, product and price. Because if we find product at first, then it will be easier to find price, because price might be many. Product, I think at least more than the product. So product and price, product and price. What Mongo's command shows how many indexes are created associated with an inventory collection. So we can simply do the get indexes and we'll get it. A typical products collection is in an e-commerce database. Which schema is the most effective? Of products collection is in an e-commerce database. Orders for products should be embedded in the array in each product document. Reviews for products should be embedded as an array in each product document. Current and historical prices for products should be embedded in each product document. Current inventory and availability for products should be embedded in each product document. I think this is the correct one, because we have the products, so the relevant data for the data we wanted to know about the product could be current inventory level, because prices, I'm not sure orders for the products should be embedded. It is not the immediate need, so yeah, I'm going with this one. A cooking dataset is in Atlas. There is a recipes database with the desserts collection. How can one document be found that provides a recipe for cookie without chocolate using Atlas Data Explorer? Atlas Data Explorer, I'm not sure where to go. Select the collection on the left hand side, select the aggregate, view the first match query, desert type cookie. Okay, desert type cookie. Specify the second stage as match query. Ingredients all chocolate. We need without chocolate. Okay, so not in chocolate, so this should be the correct answer. What Python code is valid aggregation that can be used with collection aggregate pipeline? In the pipeline we can use match and group. Choose one. So aggregate, this would be match, and group, it starts with ID. So we can see the differences are not that much. We can see here stars and stars. So I'm not sure, it's confusing. Categories, bakery. Okay, so there is equals to, and there is this is to sign, colon. So yeah, I would go with the colon. What are two valid methods method names for Mongo client class? So it's two, so open and close. Get database, destroy, obviously it will not be. Oh, maybe get database should be there. Maybe I did mistake over there. Oh, what are two advantages to using connection pooling within the Python driver? Reduce the latency for an application, obviously. Limit the number of connection to the server. Remove the need for the application to authenticate. Remove the need to open and close connection explicitly. So I'm not sure about the remove the need for the application to authenticate. Limit the number of connection to the server. So I'm going with this. So Given the following Python code, assume client is a valid connection to MongoDB. What statement correctly update a single document in MongoDB? So it is in Python. So in Python we have update, then there should be filter and then update. Okay, what is the update? No, then filter. It doesn't make sense. So this one is the correct answer. Let's see the result. Okay, so I passed, and it required 76% to pass. So let's review the wrong answers. So let me quickly go to this one. It is correct, it is correct, it is correct. This one is correct, this one is correct, this one is correct. Correct, correct. Okay, this one is incorrect. So what command deletes? See, I was a bit confused. Once I moved to next question, I thought it was find one and delete, and it turns out to be the correct answer. Then correct, correct. This one is right. Fine, fine. This one is also correct. Okay, here we go. Yeah, I was confused on this. I thought it would be get database instead of open, because I don't remember using open. Yeah, close was to close the client. Yeah, again, and it could be the last one. Remove the need, limit the number of connections. Connection pooling with the Python driver is to limit the number of connections to the server, reduce the latency for an application. So here you go. Thank you.